Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Normal here, and in this video we're going to do a speed test comparison of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro with the Apple iPhone XS Max. So both the smartphones have a really powerful hardware with the Kirin 980 powering the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, while we have the Apple A12 Bionic chipset with the iPhone XS Max, which is really powerful chipset, and both are made out of 7nm manufacturing process, and they are really powerful. So in this video we'll do a speed test and see which is faster. In the first round we'll open the apps one by one and see which takes lesser time, and in the second round we'll open the apps side by side to see the performance. So let's get started. So you can see that in the first round the Huawei Mate 20 Pro has completed it in just 58 seconds, and this is closely followed by the iPhone XS Max at 1 minute and 7 seconds. So almost 8 seconds difference between these two devices. Now in the memory management round you can see that a few of the apps have been reloaded on the Mate 20 Pro, while the XS Max with the iOS 12.1 retains all the apps and is really fast in terms of the memory management and recovering the apps from the memory. So it is able to retain all the apps in the memory and complete the second round in very less time, while the Mate 20 Pro has a lot of apps reloaded, especially the heavy games, and few other apps were also reloaded. So that's the speed test comparison of these two devices. In the second round you can see that the iPhone XS Max took just 22 seconds, while the Mate 20 Pro took almost 58 seconds. That's a big difference. So the memory management needs to be improved on the EMUI 9.0. The total time taken is 1 minute and 57 seconds on the Mate 20 Pro, while it's 1 minute and 30 seconds on the iPhone XS Max. So memory management is really good on the iPhone XS Max with iOS 12, and the EMUI 9.0 on the Mate 20 Pro needs a bit more optimization. Now let's open the apps side by side to see how good the performance is. So here we can see that we cleared off all the apps from the memory on these two devices. Now we are going to open the apps side by side. So first step, Asphalt 9. So you can see that Asphalt 9 loaded much faster on the iPhone XS Max when compared to the Mate 20 Pro. So the games are a bit more faster on the iOS 12. And now let's move on to Temple Run. So here again you could see the game was loaded faster on the iPhone when compared to the Mate 20 Pro. Now let's open the next tab. Google Chrome was opened much faster on the Mate 20 Pro. Now next step, let's go to the App Store. So here again you could see Play Store opened much faster. Let's open Facebook. So here again you can see Facebook loaded much faster on the Mate 20 Pro. Now let's move on to Twitter. Again Twitter loaded faster on the Mate 20 Pro. Next let's go to Instagram. Here again you can see that it was loaded faster on the Mate 20 Pro. So again Ghana is again loaded faster on the Mate 20 Pro. Now let's go to Amazon. Here again you can see that the Mate 20 Pro was faster. Let's move on to Flipkart. Again Mate 20 Pro was faster. So overall you can see that the regular apps takes lesser time on the Mate 20 Pro, while games are a bit faster on the iPhone XS Max. Now we are connected the devices to the same Wi-Fi network, and we are going to do a speed test here to see the network capability. So we can see that we are connected to the same network, and we have selected the same server as well. So let's start the test. So you can see that in the speed test, the Mate 20 Pro has higher speeds registered when compared to the iPhone XS Max. It's almost double the speed. So let's just change the server, and we'll just test it once again. We'll just select Airtel here, and we'll just redo the test once again. So here again you can see that the upload and download speeds are better on the Mate 20 Pro when compared to the iPhone XS Max. So that is the speed test comparison of the Mate 20 Pro with the iPhone XS Max. So one thing to note that the Mate 20 Pro is a really good device in terms of the hardware performance. The only area where it needs to improve is that the EMUI 9.0 has a bit of an issue with the memory management. Probably this can be fixed via updates, and we are not really sure about whether this is the final build we have received. So probably in the future updates it might be fixed. So that is the speed test comparison of the Mate 20 Pro with the iPhone XS Max. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.